Transform your Webflow designs from static to stunning with powerful, scalable icons using Font Awesome. First, let's get Font Awesome connected to your Webflow project while Webflow has built-in icon options. Integrating Font Awesome unlocks a vastly larger library. You can easily add Font Awesome via a CDN link within your project settings. Head over to your project settings. Navigate to the Custom Code tab and find the Head Code section here. You'll paste a Font Awesome CDN link. You can find this link directly on the Font Awesome website under their Get Started section. Just copy the provided link tag and paste it into the head code. Remember to save your changes. Now that Font Awesome is integrated, let's select and place our icons. Click on the Add Elements panel again and choose the icons element. Once you drag this onto your canvas, a panel will appear where you can browse the Font Awesome library. You can search for specific icons by name, think star, heart, arrow, or user. As you hover over an icon, you'll see its official Font Awesome name appear. Once you've found the perfect icon, simply click on it. Webflow will instantly place it onto your canvas. You can drag and drop this icon to any part of your layout, just like any other Webflow element. Customization is where the real magic happens. With your chosen icon selected, head over to the Style panel here. You can easily adjust the icon size using the standard size controls. Want an icon to be significantly larger or smaller? It's as simple as inputting a new value. You can also change the icon's color to perfectly match your brand palette. Beyond size and color, Font Awesome icons offer even more dynamic styling. Explore the different options available in the Style panel to add subtle animations, like spinning or pulsing. To draw attention to important elements, think about using these for call to action buttons or important notifications. These scalable vector icons ensure your website looks sharp and professional on any screen size, greatly enhancing your user interface and overall aesthetic. So go ahead, explore the millions of icons available and bring your Webflow designs to life.